Matt, I don't know what it is, dude. Ever since we filmed that Quokka video, there's just been nothing to do.
Well, funnily enough, Oscar, we have a new locally produced silver product in stock.
Where is it, Matt?
Would you like to see?
I would.
Alrighty, it may or may not be in this here box.
Is this Pirate's Treasure or Bullion, mate?
Bit of both. So these are the new XAG cast silver bars. They are now in stock and available. So these make up some of the locally produced products we have. Yeah, if you come on into the store and you put a glove on, you might even get to touch the pile. Who knows?
I haven't seen these before. Are these new bars?
These are new. I haven't seen these before either. So we'd previously had the Harrington bars in, but these are, I believe they come out of the same, came out of the same refinery, but it is a different branding. So just something different to add to your stack. If you're after the cast silver bars, this is a good option.
And before we go, when you say locally produced, it's still world renowned, is that correct?
World renowned, but not, I guess you'd say, not nearly to the same extent as something like the Perth Mint.
Right,
so
okay.
we often say to people, if you are travelling overseas and you're wanting that internationally recognised brand, the Perth Mint is a bit more popular for that reason. But domestically, you shouldn't have any trouble at all with something like this.
Well, Matt, I've got to thank you for making my day, my friend. We were bored here, but now you spiced it up.
Anytime, mate. You're always welcome for a visit. And special thanks to DJ on the camera, our fill-in for Ruben while he's away. Things are going well, mate. Nothing to worry about.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks for watching. Chuck a like if you're happy with Oscar, happy with DJ. Don't worry about me. I'll be here anyway. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
See you later.
Try again. That'll be the bit you put at the end.
Let's jump into this.
Ready?
Okay.